Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, some breaking news are reached to the attacking boss, you know, my people. And it is said that popular businessman Dean Shaw was cut down in Jamaica, my people, just a short while ago. So at the time of recording this video now, my people, it's 3 p.m. You understand, on Saturday, August the 10th, 2024. So basically 2 p.m. in Jamaica, my people. No joke about it. And it is said that a short while ago, my people, like 25 minutes ago, Dean Shaw was cut down at his business place, my people. So them say, him have a plaza, my people, right? Pan a plaza named Shortwood Plaza in a St. Andrew, and he was right there, my people, when them say men and motorcycle just roll up, my people, in a black hoodie. And this is when them just put it on, you know what I mean, beat it up on him, my people, and him drop outside and him gone, my people, them say right on the ground. So Dean Shaw, my viewers and subscribers, is a very popular man in Jamaica. Not just saying who own a plaza and have business, my people, but also in a drag racing thing, my people. You know what I mean? So a lot of people who follow race car thing and driving drag racing in Jamaica, my people, them are gonna know Dean Shaw. You understand? Because this man was popular upon the circuit, my viewers and subscribers. If you go over upon YouTube, you can see videos with him, you know what I mean, a showcase and him thing, and them say him have the fastest drag time in a 2024 in a Jamaica right now too. You know what I mean? I saw a video upon skunk lifestyle thing where him say that, my people. So you don't know that he was popular in the circuit of Jamaica. So there's a lot of speculation are going on right now. You know what I mean? People are going to speculate, a man just drop out and thing, my people. But nobody don't know the full reasons what is behind this thing and what could have caused the man them to come so boom and cut down Dean Shaw, my people. But you don't know the thing of my people. Boy, me I tell you, Jamaica right now, my people, I just don't know. You see me? But when I say something like this, my people, him there in Plaza, you understand, Shortwood Plaza, theme thing where him own. Him reach outside, man roll up on the bike, that is it, then put it on. Definitely a set up, my people. You understand? Definitely a hit upon him, my people. Cause I never get no information, so them grab no bag with no money from him, them take nothing off him. The information, this a breaking news just put out there now, say he was at the plaza, my people, man roll up on it, and that is how them just steal them, my people. But only Jah sees and he knows, my people. But you don't know it's the breaking news, and now so anytime I get no more information pertaining to this for people, I will drop the other vlog on it. But for now, all I can say condolences to the family of Dean Shaw. May his soul rest in peace, and for the perpetrators them behind it, people, hope the police can make a quick, you know what I mean, solve this, because camera was on the plaza and thing. Them say a police station not even too far from him, like just right around the corner, right there, so the police station right over there. But the killers, the perpetrators, they manage to still carry out them act right over there. So Jah sees, Jah knows. Big up on yourself, my people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. Peace out. Blessings.